Lady don't come tell us how they hypnotize them. Sometimes I wonder how this thing they work for people because I never taste them before. You understand? And according to Ran, she can't they tell us say she enter car because she normally she no get job. So they can't give her this because she dey used to all this part-time job. So she can't get this gig where she dey go do. So she say me she enter car. The car where she enter, now the driver they drive, then another passenger dey for front seat. She can't enter back seat sit down. As they go now 10 minutes after they start journey, now so the guy wey sit down for front come tell driver say e be like say I go get down for here and they talk say the guy na foreigner according to wetin the girl dey tell us. Now so the guy wey get down come remove $100. He can't give the driver and already the driver don't tell the girl make she go sit down for front as the guy stand up. The girl don already dey front. As the hand of the guy no reach driver, the girl can't help and carry the $100, can't give driver. Now so the driver say, this one too plenty. Say you supposed change. And the guy saying just reach inside country. Say now the money where they pay any service where they do am now. I don't know who send this guy message. Now so the girl too can't involve inside conversation. My people, now so they hypnotize am. They go before she said the last thing when she remembered be say they drive where she can't find herself inside one house. My people, make her just make this thing short. They can't make this girl transfer 170,000 naira to those people. And I think say for Ghana cedis, make her see 170. If I know the mistake, I don't know, maybe like 1,000 or 2,000 cedis thereabouts. My people, no be small matter, but join me, make we listen to the hypnotisia.
Entered this vehicle from my bus stop, not knowing that they were 419. When I entered, one person was in front and then the driver, so I sat behind. After like 10 minutes drive from my bus stop, the person in front said he wanted to calm down. So when he dropped, he handed the driver $100. So I collected, because the driver asked me to move to the front. So I collected and handed the money over. And I said, it's $100. Before I know what was happening, he said, he's new here, and this is what he has been giving people since he came. So I said, the driver now said, they are cheating you. You're supposed to change your dollars to naira. So the man now said, where are you going to? Are you sure this is where you're going to stop? And I said, I'm going to French embassy. And he was speaking pidgin English. He said, I'm going to Senegalese embassy. So the driver in front now said, okay, that's the direction where we are going to enter. So when the man entered back, after like 5 minutes drive again from where that stop, we entered. He said he wanted to get fuel. Entered a nearby filling station. That was the last thing I remember. From that filling station, I found myself in a house.
This dollar matter don't dey everywhere. And not be today sef the thing start this thing. Oh boy, as I hear this girl own, I can't remember the one wey do me. Charlie. Hey, dollar. They use dollar now. They scam people, especially for all those Anthony, Maryland side. If una they live around that side, it they happen well for those places. Make una know they involved in these people conversation. If you dey inside car, no see, just do like say you know even they. Because the moment you say pim, hey, you don't see now that time the hypnosis they start. The moment you open mouth, just talk one thing. You understand? And as this one now, you don't go send 170,000. Assuming the system, our system, beautiful Nigeria has gone bad. Assuming this our system still dey like those days. Like by now, they don't trace that account, or be the receiver, I don't be banker. They don't trace some share, they don't get something. But now, no, what does she want to do? Who she want to report to? Where the person go say, okay, they listen to her, you go do this one. My sister, you're on your own. And thank God say she herself, she knows say she don't on her own. Because now nobody even get your time. And this thing, my people, when it happened to me, thank God say I sabi snub people. This thing, even though na bad thing, but it don't help me. It don't help my career as when they see me like this, snubbing people. It be like say my spirit always they tell me the right people and the wrong people. I know if I decide to snub like this, like if I don't see person, I don't target you. I say this one or snub me. I don't snub you finish. Like I get that alert. I get that. On the way they talkatives now this thing they catch. Talkatives. Some people, hey, I remember one time when I enter one bus like that. Chineke me, they do me like make her slap this woman. Two people start conversation, she don't join. Another set start conversation, she don't join. Any small thing when you talk, she get something to answer you. And madam, I don't understand. They send you. Una way like they talk. Una way no, una no, una self. I'm not even start to explain how they happen. Una way like they talk now like this. Put mouth. Anything. You don't jump. You don't jump. The day when this thing happened to me, this same dollar matter, my people. Because I snub them. As I snub them, they come vex. They say, I bet we know they go away. Oh yeah, butter. Now you kukuma get down. If not, my matter for don dey social media now say, hey, Madam Aproko, they hypnotize am. See, learn to mind your business for this life. Except if you dey greedy. Now greedy people, I even dey suspect this girl. Una sure say this girl no be dey plan to even take part of these dollars. Because if you no talk to them, you no go work. You no go work if you know. I beg my people, see. Why I bring this matter here? No be just because say we suppose laugh, we suppose. See, I won't make we dey help each other. Very, very important. So now I bring this matter because I want let una know something. If una hear or una see dollars, you dey inside public transport, whether na taxi, whether na anything, as long as it no be your private car. If you see dollars, person dey pass dollars, definitely you suppose dey smart. Inside Nigeria, we dey use dollar. You dey abroad. So why they, instead of naira, why they go use dollar? If you see dollar, they pass around. Shh, shut up. No talk. Then secondly, find your way out of that car. You feel like say you wan buy something. No, you no need talk. Just by the time you get that, madam, where they go? I wan buy something. And after you get down, what you go do? Japa. You understand? Now the anthem be this. Dollar, japa. Dollar, japa. Remember this, very, very important. If not, they go carry you. Maybe you own a cemetery, say where they go carry you. Empty your account. And the gate say they pity am. Now house rent money where she dey save. Ha! Koni baje. You know go better for some people for this life. All of una where they don't destiny on our life. Say now to they do evil things. Una go soon meet am for front. No be me talk am. Una go soon meet am for front. My people, jackpot! Drop those comments for that comment section. I'll make sure say you share this video. We need help each other. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's very, very important. And if you don't share this video, how your friend want tell another friend? You understand? And still, subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you don't go to get things like this for this house. Stay tuned for our next story.